How to avoid quality issues and costly recall campaigns while simultaneously increasing profitability? Do you want to know the percentage of out-of-spec parts before receiving a shipment, whether from your supplier or your own production? Would you like to anticipate potential quality problems in the finished product? Now all of this is possible. There is a software that gives you detailed, immediate and reliable information on quality issues, associated costs and potential risks of recall campaigns. All of this is broken down by project, supplier, part number and much more. It is Perfect Launch, Perfect Production, PLPP. Available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Hosted in the cloud with the highest cybersecurity standards of Amazon Web Services, AWS. The operation of PLPP is simple and efficient. You just need to assign access to PLPP software to the home or supplier user via their email and capture the part number specifications. These two actions are only performed once. From each production batch 5 parts are measured, the data is entered into PLPP software, and the system immediately generates an estimate of the percentage of out-of-specification parts, ppm. In this example, we perform a production simulation analysis based on 1 million parts. Out of these million simulated parts, 877,000 meet the specifications, which represents 87.7% conformity. On the other hand, the system estimates that 123,000 parts would be out of specification, equivalent to 12.3%. Specifically, about 54,000 parts would fall below, and around 69,000 would exceed the specification limits and tolerances. This information allows us to anticipate potential deviations and take preventive actions. Now let's take it a step further. We not only analyze process capability and part conformity but also evaluate the economic impact of poor quality. In this report, with an estimated consumption of 1,500 parts per day, working 250 days per year, and a unit price of $30 per part, the system calculates the cost of poor quality by considering the out-of-specification parts. With 12.3% of parts out of specification, this results in a cost of $5,535 per day, and an approximate $1,383,750 per year. Finally, we present the historical report, which allows us to observe the evolution of process quality over time. In this report, each measurement date reflects the percentage of parts within and out of specification. We can see that, at different times, the percentage of parts within specifications range between 81% and up to 92.4%. Similarly, ppm values fluctuated between approximately 7.6% and up to 18.5%. This historical tracking enables us to identify patterns, detect critical variations, and confirm or reject whether quality improvements have been achieved over time. With this information, we can transparently show the percentage of out-of-specification parts and the real cost of poor quality, clearly highlighting opportunities for optimization and savings. PLPP offers you 24 strategic reports, 8 ppm, 8 cost, and 8 historical. All reports are accessible 24/7 from anywhere in the world, under the highest cybersecurity standards. And most importantly, no one else will be able to see your information without your authorization. The Perfect Launch, Perfect Production (PLPP) software was developed by experts in statistical quality control, manufacturing and simulation, with extensive experience in the automotive and auto parts industry. One of our manufacturing team members received the Volkswagen Group Award in the Excellence in Quality category. To address quality issues, the expert group developed the Perfect Launch, Perfect Production (PLPP) software. This tool uses computerized simulation to identify out-of-spec parts, ppm, or defective finished products at the end of the production line. Visit us on www.pl-pp.com or visit our YouTube channel at PLPP_. Because with PLPP you can do it.